Now, back on NBC, Super Bowl pre-game show. What? Man, I really hate Super Bowl. What you gonna do? I know. What should I do? I will put a fake emergency alert system through the TV. At Emergency Alert System Studio. Now it's time for me to hack at the emergency alert system. Or I will make a create the emergency alert system.
Okay, I will watch Super Bowl 52 on TV pre-game. What the hell? Why are programming interrupted?
This is NBC, and we are experiencing technical difficulties. As you know, this is WPTA.TV too, but now this is experiencing technical difficulties. We now sorry about this television and program immediately. So, we are experiencing technical difficulties. Please stand by.
Oh no, my program has been discontinued and has technical difficulties.
We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. This message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. At 4:10 p.m. Central Standard Time, NORAD has detected launch 20 nuclear missiles has been launched for Syria. This missile is expected to the following cities in the next 50 to 30 minutes: New York City, Chicago, Los Angeles, Kansas City, Cheyenne, Salt Lake City, Las Vegas, Fort Wayne, Terre Haute, Bakersfield, San Diego, McAllen, Houston, Laredo, Dallas, San Francisco, San Diego, San Jose, Riverside, and Washington, D.C. All persons living in 500 miles in the cities, seek shelter now. If you don't have follow shelter, the National Guard will be need you one. Do not leave shelter. If you go, will be die. Use a food, water, first aid kit, and battery-powered radio. At this time all broadcast radio and TV now has been suspended. This is WPTA 21-2. We will continue serving the Fort Wayne area. This system has been discontinued programming.
Grace, you need to find shelter before nuclear missile has in the city.
I don't know, but I hear you have an emergency alert system has a nuclear missile.
Ha 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 ha. Nobody wants the what emergency alert system was on. Hey! Did you put in the nuclear attack warning on TV and radio? I think now it's better get out of here. Now I'm going to activate the emergency alert system. I'm gonna sorry for everyone that was a false alarm. I'm gonna tell you everyone about that. I am really sorry about that. Anyway, this is the emergency action termination. There has a false alarm to the nuclear missiles. That's detected to launch the 20 nuclear missiles. It was a false alarm. There is no nuclear missile as we launched for Syria. And I told you not to. But all parents, you need to pay for $500 and you can fix it. So, think how come going parents about this. So there is no nuclear missile. This concludes operations under the emergency alert system. All no more programming operations may now resume regular programming operations.
Luen, how dare you make a fake EAS with a nuclear missile? You know fake EAS can get arrested.
Your father is right. Fake emergency alert system has get false alarm. Can get arrested for that. Did you know costs $500 to paying the EAS?
And because in Luen, you are grounded for 732 weeks.
Go upstairs to your room now, or else I will sending you to Hungary.
Thanks for watching video. I hope you watched Super Bowl 52. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and please turn on to post notifications. This is Miguel Perez, signing off.